Fingerprint evidence secured conviction in 1898 in British India, Kangali Charan case. Outside Argentina, the first use of fingerprints in a murder case was in Bengal, India in May 1898 when a thief called Kangali Charan was charged with murdering his former employer. This criminal case in Bengal in 1898 is considered to be the first case in which fingerprint evidence was used to secure a conviction. The manager of a tea garden situated in the district of Jalpaiguri on the Bhutan frontier was found lying on his bed with his throat cut, his dispatch box and safe having been broken, and several hundred rupees carried away. In the dispatch box was found an almanac calendar in book form printed in the Bengali language, outside cover of which bore two faint brown smudges. The impression on the calendar, when compared, it was found to correspond exactly the right thumb impression of Kangali Charan, the ex-servant above referred to. He, in consequence, was arrested in Birbhum, a district some hundreds of miles away, and brought to Calcutta, where his right thumb impression was again taken, and the police in the meantime set about collecting corroborative evidence. The accused was committed to stand his trial before a judge and assessors, charged with murder and theft, and finally was convicted of having stolen the missing property of the deceased, the assessors holding that it would be unsafe to convict him of murder as no one had seen the deed committed, but recording the opinion that a charge of theft had been conclusively established against him. This conviction was upheld by the judges of the Supreme Court, to which the case was taken on appeal. Lower punishment than expected. Sir Edward Richard Henry assisted in the detection of this crime. The man was eventually convicted of the offence, although fingerprints linked Kangali Charan inextricably with the theft and murder of his employer, but the Indian court, evidently wary of power of new technology, only saw it fit to find him guilty only of theft.